Alice is the CEO of a decentralized finance protocol. Her project has gained a lot of interest and she is very grateful to her community. She wants to reward her dedicated users, but she is not sure of the best way to do it. Alice doesn't like current airdrops models as they are capital inefficient due to the resource costs, the influence on the token economics, and the potential cheaters or dishonest users who take advantage of the airdrop. She thinks about how to avoid distributing her tokens to the wrong people and has the idea of curating her community by identifying reputable users. Alice would like a system that would allow her to list users who meet a set of criteria. But the only solutions offered to her are to build a private database or to rely on a third party. She is not comfortable with these solutions as they add a certain level of centralization, the impossibility to verify the data later, and she would also like this user list to be interoperable and reusable later by her or other protocols. So now Alice is very worried, she has no solution to her problem. But she heard about EtherScore, a decentralized reputation system. She immediately thought that this was exactly what she was looking for and started to get excited about the EtherScore badge mechanism. With EtherScore, Alice can build trust between her users and her protocol using proof of achievement. She can issue badges to attest the actions of her users. Badges are stored on-chain as NFTs and are easily verifiable. Alice can, for example, issue a badge with the following minting conditions. The user must have used the protocol before 2020. Must have provided liquidity for at least 1 year. Have made at least one swap per month. But she could also have used any data being accessible from the EtherScore data sources, the Graph protocol and Covalent API. The data could concern the major decentralized finance protocols such as decentralized exchanges or lending protocols, but also the participation in games, NFT marketplaces and DAOs. But that's not all. Alice also wants her badge to be very special. So she is going to personalize some parameters such as the supply or the transferability. Now that Alice's trusted users are identified, she can simply provide them access to airdrops, token sales, discounts, DAO voting power, or any exclusive reward. The user profiles generated by the badge collections are interoperable across the entire Ethereum ecosystem, allowing for further use and completion by different Alice partners. Here is the EtherScore demo. We are now going to claim a badge as any user would. On this page we can see all the existing badges and the minting conditions details for each one. When the user connects his MetaMask, the eligibility to receive badges is requested from the Graph protocol and Covalent API. We can see that the user is not eligible for the first 2 badges because he does not meet the minting conditions. The user can claim the badge, the trader, since he has made more than 50 swaps on Uniswap. After a few MetaMask transactions, we can see that the user has claimed a badge because he has 1 BTO in his wallet, symbol of the NFT EtherScore badges. Beyond decentralized finance, EtherScore is a brick still lacking for a new paradigm of applications relying on users' reputations such as curated social networks, gaming achievements, fidelity programs, and many more. To know more about EtherScore, follow us on social networks and visit our website, etherscore.network.